hiking down some pine trees today. As you can see, just getting the climbing gear out, getting ready to suit up. Put the winch on the Knuckle boom today. We don't get it on there much. It's pretty unique when we use it, so it's going to be an interesting day. Sure. There's that. Pretty good day today. We had a lot of trees to climb. We just have to drop this one last pole behind me. We're gonna drop it right down here in this little narrow lane and then carry it out. But all in all, today was a good day. We didn't break anything. We got all the trees safely out of the tight locations. So it was good stuff. And the new gear, the new single rope gear, I was able to try it out. And it helped me a couple times when I didn't have a tie-in point. I could just hook onto the main trunk. So that was really great. Really enjoyed getting to try that out, see how quick it was. I will say I still prefer a moving rope system. I don't know if they would call me old timer for that, but I really do like the moving rope. It's just so much more versatile. So yeah, good stuff. See you in the next one.